Ritesh, a 20-year-old college student, always brushed his teeth twice and flossed them at least once a day. But his friends would avoid talking to Ritesh because of his bad breath. Worried young Ritesh visited his dentist and told his concern. The dentist told that his bad breath was due to poor tongue hygiene. Dentist began to explain, while daily brushing and flossing is a great way to clean your teeth, another important aspect to maintain oral health is brushing your tongue. It will help to remove the bacteria that collects on your tongue. Tongue can be brushed by placing small amount of toothpaste and gently brushing it from the back of tongue to your way forward. Tongue can be cleaned by scraping as well. Place the scraper at the back of tongue and pull it forward of your tongue multiple times at different angles. Then wash the scraper to clean off any debris. Bacteria grow fast. The best way to reduce the number of bacteria is to clean your tongue twice daily after brushing your teeth. Ritesh found that brushing his tongue helped with his bad breath. He has now made it an important part of his oral hygiene routine. If you have bad breath, visit your dentist to check for its cause and resolution.